Cell phone carriers already offer parental controls, letting adults limit or block text messages. And one Arizona teenager reportedly said just because the parents pay the bills, quote, that's like saying because I use my parents' stamp, it's not my letter. These are still personal conversations. Word. Let's take it to the legal panel. Criminal defense attorney Randy Zellin is here, and former prosecutor Faith Jenkins rocking the red today. Come on, tell me about this.
Well, you know, whether or not you're a teenager in Arizona, this law might just merit...
I don't know why it said Oklahoma in there, but
it's Arizona. This law might just merit an OMG for several reasons.
It did merit an OMG.
It did.
With you.
Well, first of all, it's in direct conflict with federal law. Under federal law, you have to have consent from the content originator of these text messages. Even if you get consent from your child, you have to get consent from the other party to the text messages.
Hello.
Text messages are two parties, so it really hasn't been thought through well enough to be able to be implemented. It can't be implemented. And I'm all for parent supervision, snoopervision as they call it.
Sure,
everything
kid,
that you
give me that phone. I'm looking at that phone. I'm all about that.
It's not your phone.
No, look at it's your kid. Grab the phone, look at it.
And you look at it. That's what you have to do. But this law can't be implemented as it's written now.
Grandy.
TJ Lane, young man accused of killing 3 schoolmates. Imagine if TJ Lane's parents had a sense that something was up and they wanted to go to the cell phone provider to find out if there were text messages going back and forth. And the phone company said, no, I'm sorry, even though it's your...
Manageable. First of all, how do you know that parents, if you have parents coming in requesting these records, how do you know they're parents? Is it now incumbent upon the phone companies to verify and check to make sure that these are the actual parents? Second of all, what about emails that are deleted? So now you're going to require Gmail and AOL and all of these companies to produce
and phone calls.
deleted emails.
Hey, Randy, and phone calls, monitor all their phone calls, and maybe when they're on the playground, maybe you should hire someone to go stand there and listen to everything they say. And maybe when they go to the bathroom, Randy, where is the end of it?
We can keep going and going and going.
Randy.
Yes, they are people, but they're kids.
With a relationship, and that's exactly right, which is why you monitor the phones, you monitor the text messages, the emails, everything that you have to do, but the responsibility cannot shift to the phone companies, and you're requiring
all of these... No, let's shift it to the judges. Let's have a judge decide.
Grab the phone out of your kid's hand, snatch the thing.